New Bern is celebrating its 300th anniversary, and about a year and a half ago it was decided that 1776 was the perfect show for this event this year.
My strategy is to first and foremost assemble the finest staff that I can get.
We have come to play your strange music for you from Planet Muzak.
Oh, yes! No too many flies here! Oh, yes! For God's sake, John, sit down!
It's a role that I did 25 years ago, and I just looked for the opportunity and was hoping for the opportunity to do it again. It's one of the most intense characters that a guy can play.
You want to let the audience know, the magnitude of what took place, to make them laugh at the same time at something as dry and dull as the Congress.
Love New Bern Civic Theatre, love being a part of their productions. Bob and I met doing a show on this stage, became incredibly good friends, and fell in love. New Bern Civic Theatre will always be near and dear to us.
We are cool, we're the cool, considerate men, whose life may never ever be seen again. We have men, happy men, self-command, future plan.
Very proud of this production. Very proud of everybody who's worked so hard to put it up there on the stage. Theater is a wonderful collaborative adventure. This company has, I think I was counting it up this morning, has a total of 57 people involved in this show in various capacities. Only 26 are in the cast. I'm just proud of everyone who's worked so hard, because I can honestly say there isn't a person in this company that hasn't put forth 150% of effort to get this show to where it is. And it is ready. So we're looking forward to it.
And just as Tom hears the 10, we say to hell with Great Britain.